this is Mgao Piano. If you are new on this channel, you help us by subscribing and liking our videos and commenting so that we will know what we will put next for your advantages. So today we are going to have a nice lesson of a nice song which I think many people know. It is the song that it is the worship song. It is a hymn. It is I Surrender. So we are going to learn it in the F sharp, but we have transposed it to -4 for the advantages of many people, because many people like to use the key of F sharp. So that's why. So in our key of F sharp is our 1, and G sharp is our 2, B flat is our 3, and B is our 4, C sharp our 5, E flat our 6, then F our 7, then back to F sharp. Yeah, so our song goes like this. Oh, to Jesus I surrender. Forgive my voice. Okay, our song goes like this. As usual, we will start with our passing chord to a 1, 6, 7, 1, 7, 1. On my left I'm holding E flat, on my right I'm holding B, C sharp and F sharp. Then I'm doing this scale. Then on my left I'm holding my F. On my right I'm holding C sharp, E flat and G sharp. Then on my this is F sharp major 7. We are holding on my left hand I'm holding F sharp, F sharp, then C sharp, F and B flat. Oh, I think it is connecting. It is the passing chord you can use when you are going to your 1 chord. Yeah, it is a nice movement that every pianist should be knowing by this time. So our song goes like this. Jesus I surrender. So I'm going to explain. So this is one of F sharp, C sharp, F sharp, and B flat. Here on my left hand I'm holding F sharp. I'm doing this scale. All to Jesus, all to Jesus. Here I'm holding our chord B, or our 4 in F sharp, slash our the 2. Here we are holding the 2, or our G sharp. It sounds very amazing. So it is F sharp slash 2 or over 2. All to Jesus, back to F sharp, then then our 5, or C sharp, sus 2. On our left hand we are holding F. All to Jesus I surrender. This is a nice movement. Okay. So all to Jesus I, then this is B flat major chord. We use it as our passing chord to our 6th chord, which is E flat minor. All to Jesus I surrender. Then we hold B diminished 7. Our chord B is this one. Then our diminished 7, we get it by looking for our diminished chord, B diminished chord. It is this one. We slide this to D, then F sharp to F, then we add our 6 when you are in the key of B. In the key of B, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it means this is, we shall add this. It is like this, we shall hold like this. Then to 6. Yeah, it is a nice movement. All to Jesus I surrender. So I think we are going together. All to Jesus I surrender. I surrender. Oh, I surrender. Then 5, 1, 2. I will repeat. All to Jesus I surrender. very amazing. So, to Jesus I surrender all. Then you can pray like this. Flat, B, F sharp, B flat, B. You do it like this. All to Jesus I surrender all. I think we are moving together. So our chorus goes like this. I surrender all. I surrender all. Oh, to thee, my blessed Savior, I surrender. So, shall move like this. Our 6. But we shall praise it as we shall use it, we shall drop it, use it as we shall grace it rather. I surrender. So we are gracing it like this. And we are praying all of them at the same time. I surrender. I surrender all. You see? Two major, F sharp, then 5. I surrender. Then here we are holding E flat sus2 or D sharp. We are holding E flat, F and B flat. Then after we slide our finger to D. Then it becomes B flat. So we are doing like this. I surrender.